Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're having a go at a tree. So I'm just chopping the log in half. So I'm going to get 2 trees out of this log, and because the log's already got a lean over to one side, I'm going to make like a wind blown tree. So I'm just drawing the trunk on and the where the lowest branches are going to be. So that's where I'm going to cut the triangle down to. So you just want to taper the log from a triangle point at the bottom, at the top, to the widest part of it being at the bottom, like on a tree, because the tree's like a triangle shape. And then once I've got the shape of the tree, so the triangle of the tree where I want it, rounding the log over just so it's still wider at the bottom, thinner at the top when you're rounding it over. So I'm getting the trunk cut out. It's just done that so far with the stock M.T.S 170. It's just drawing on a few branch lines. So I'm just cutting, doing like an upcut to go under the branch. This is my first tree, first go at a tree. So I'm just separating the branches and putting some space like underneath each branch, so you can get in there with your saw or your sander and your paintbrush. Always leave room so you can get in there with your paintbrush. So that now I've got the shape of the tree that I want and the branches that I want. So start putting a bit of texture in, but start going sharper than the saw. Once it started smoking and that, as soon as it starts smoking I go and sharpen it. Or like every other tank of petrol, give it a sharpen. Sharper the better. The more easy it is on your machine, and the more easy it is on you, and the better your work piece will turn out, because it's like trying to use a blunt saw, you're just going to rip the wood in it. With a blunt knife you're just going to squash a tomato instead of a nice thinly sliced tomato. So sharper the better. Takes 5-10 minutes, quickly sharpen your saw, get it done. So I'm just doing the lines like on the tree branch, just as if I'm doing like feathers on a bird, overlapping the ridges. I've done another tree since this one as well, so I'm going to do a little video on how I textured it, another way of texturing it without the chainsaw. Use the file sander. So I'll edit this one and then I'll edit that one and get that one up as well. And the tree that I've made where I use the file sander to do the branches and the texture, it's just the other side, the other half of this log. So just like leaning the opposite way. Just putting a bit more separation between the branches. A nice bit of flow to the branches. the bottom of this one, carve X missing to it as well, but you can carve that in or not carve that in, it's up to you. Whatever you want to do in the old tree. This is like a bit like a Geordie Johnson windblown tree. Yeah, I'm watching Chris Garage 78. He's got some good videos on how he does his trees. And Geordie Johnson's got good videos on how he does his blown trees. So should go and check their videos out as well. See how they do it. I always watch a few different people's videos. Like Ryan Cook's got one. He does trees completely different to how Geordie and Chris Garage does it. So I always watch a few different ones and then go from there. And give it a quick burn. Get all them frizzies off. And just give it a blast with your nail on brush. So I've got the small one on there at the minute. Just give it a quick blast with the small one and then swap over to the bigger one just to get into the deeper gaps that you can't get into with the small one. And all I did once it was done is just give it a quick coat of Danish oil and then a couple of coats of clear satin varnish. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like it if you like it, and please subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm going to put up one of our textured it. I textured it with the file sander, so it looks a bit different and it's turned out a bit different as well. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you on the next video.